What's up YouTube, Awkward Entertainers here. Welcome to part 6 of our Extreme Mega Pack opening.
Random packs.
Random packs. Let's collect packs to open. This time I can start.
Yes.
And we're gonna take very much extreme victories, a few Return of the Duelist, Gladiator Assault, because that still has too much packs. Also Storm of Ragnarok and Dark Crisis. So the part next to this is gonna be awesome, like it's really going to be very much random packs. Yeah, so let's start. "13 Extreme Victories, 4 Return of the Duelist, and that's 17.
5 Gladiators Assaults for me. 5, 8 cards now, 3 Dark Crisis. 12, 4 Storm of Ragnaroks.
How much
So
left?
5 more left, like a Galactic Overlord. Let's do another Dark Crisis. No.
Yeah, take one.
Order of Chaos? I want Order of Chaos.
No Generation Force?
Generation Force? Where's that one? Oh, Generation Force, Photon Shockwave, one more. Which one?
Dark Crisis.
Like, this is where your comments from the viewers would be helpful, because I have completely no idea Power Force then. Like, if they had just...
This is 17?
This is 17.
Okay, then let's make some room.
Why do you interfere with my when I talk? Mimi. It's like, if you would have commented that, like, it would come in handy if people said, yeah, I want you to open elemental energy or something, then I would have chosen elemental energy in these cases, but oh well. Silent viewers are
Who can
viewers
start?
as well. You started, so I can start with return. Madoki Butler Rusk, Impenetrable Attack, Trance the Magic Swordsman, Turnabout, Pahanda. Ooh, pretty! It's Ultra, right? Right? Okay, number 33 is Chronomeli Machumek. It's pretty neat. Sparkly. Yeah, it's ultra. Yeah, I know the difference now. Atlantean Attack Squad, Heroic Challenger, and Chronomeli Pyramid Eye Tablet.
Extreme Victory.
Angry.
Out of the blue, TG Rush Rhino. The same cards.
Well, at least we started with a good card.
Yeah.
Yay! Storm of Ragnarok. Legendary 6 Samurai Shinai, Nordic Relic Dropner, Cyber Shield, a rare Asceticism of the 6 Samurai. Ooh, another foil. Super Vortex the Whirlwind, Gutter Demerang, Solemn Authority, Blackwing, Brisso the Tailwind, and what more?
Let's do Generation Force. I mean, yeah, Generation Force.
You really like that.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
Well, can you do them? Because my hand's dirty, so I'm gonna clean it.
Past Image, Gem Elephant, Cracking, The Great Emperor Penguin. A rare Sky Starray. Poseidon Wave, Crashbug Z, Utopian Aura, and Level Magma Cannoneer.
So can I do 2 now?
Oh, you can... yeah, fine.
Extreme Victory.
Oh, pretty.
Serene Psychic Witch. W Nebula Meteorite. Maclord's Fortress. Junk Berserker, the guy in the pack. Nice. Ultra rare Junk Berserker.
Nice.
6 style dual wields. Maclord Factory, Force Resonator, and Gladiator Beast Tigerius.
At least that's how I pronounce it. I'm never sure. I'll be doing a Dark Crisis now. Can I open 2 as well? Well. Moral Boost. Incandescent Ordeal. Deathrook Archfiend. Sakuretsu Armor. And a super different dimension dragon. Altar from the Tribute. Altar for Tribute. Arsenal Summoner. Contact with the Dark Master. And Blindly Loyal Goblin. What? Why are you putting funny faces like that? I did Dark Crisis. Oh well.
Dark Crisis.
Randomness.
A duel with Dark Ruler. Mastering of the Dark Scorpions. Little Winguards. Gyaku Gira Panda. And a rare, super rare Mudora. Majugar Z. Staunch Defender Sasuke Samurai 2. Gravity X Growl.
Well, Gladiator's Assault next. Nope. I don't know why these Gladiator Assaults get completely ruined by opening. Swift Strike Armor. Chamberlain of the Six Samurai. Natural Disaster. Cloudian Turbulence. Cunning of Six Samurai Super. Yep, Super. Gambler of Legend. Cloudian Ghost Fog. Tracroid and Fog Control.
Extreme Victory. Reboots, Runaway Karakuri, DG Catapult Dragon, DG EM1, and a rare Resonator Call. Power Up Adapter, Elder of the Six Samurai, Lancer Lindworm, and DGX1 HL.
No, I'll be doing an extreme as well. Wait, we've got a lot of them. Maclord Army of Skill, Scrap Kong, Boon of the Maclord Emperor, Out of the Blue, a rare TGX3 DX2, we didn't have that one I think, TJ Falcon, Force Resonator, Localize, ESP Amplifier,
Photon Shockwave. What?
What?
No.
You silly boy.
Ego Boost, Stinging Swordsman, Phylon Om, Heartfelt Appeal, Daybreaker, and here it comes. Evolzer Legia Ultimate
nice.
Rare. Evolzer Legia Ultimate Rare.
You're probably gonna use that again.
A Traffic Control, Poisonous Winds, and Rudenut.
Ooh.
Nice.
That was a nice one.
Evolzer Legia Ultimate Rare. Sweetness.
Which one is this? Where's Galactic? Galactic.
This one is definitely going in my deck.
I really
In my Dino Rabbit deck.
I know, right? I'll be doing Galactic Overlord. If I can. What?
Nothing?
Nah, gold's coming up. I hope not. Heretic Seal of Supremacy, Insector Firefly, Moonlit Papillon, Influence Dragon, a rare Final Insection, Camera Clops, Insector Ladybug, Heretic Seal of the Sun Dragon Overlord, a mysterious engraved heretic relic that was thought to be a simple stone, but it was actually infused with the power of a sun-wielding dragon. Aeons passed, right? And the power of the relic grew and grew until it finally shone like the sun itself, and the red-headed Oni.
I'm gonna do Order of Chaos.
If you don't pull a Gagaga, I'm gonna
Magician.
hit you. Yeah.
I'm not gonna pull Gaga Magician.
Yes, you will.
Watch me. Double Defender, Evolzer Elias, the huge revolution is over. Insector Centipede and Insector Hopper Rare. Vampire Koala.
You really like
Dice
it when you don't
Foon,
get the
Sand
cards I
Maelstrom,
want.
Full Force Strike.
You really like it when I don't get the card I want, do you? Extreme Victory again.
Insector Hopper, Hopper, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop.
Why doesn't it? Oh, let's do it this way then. It didn't open like I'm used to. W Nebula Meteorite, Resonant Destruction, Maclord Army of Skill, Scarlet Security, the rare Black Wind Jin the Rain Shadow. Oh, it looks funny. Morphtronic Lantron, Gladiator Beast Tigerius, the Resolute Maclord Army, and Elder of the Six Samurai.
Absolute Power Force. Absolute Power Force. Yeah, take that. Magic Hole Golem, Meteorite Flare, Weeping Idol, and a secret rare Cactus Bouncer.
Ooh!
Nice. Secret rare Cactus Bouncer.
I didn't even know it had a secret.
All the secrets are welcome here. Nice. This card cannot be special summoned while plant type monster other than this card is face up on the field. Neither player can special summon monsters.
Yeah, that's actually a very nasty one.
And a rare Evil Blast. Rose Fairy, Fire Ant, Escator, Spider's Lair, and Oil Man. Sweet. Our first secret rare.
Why couldn't you save the best for the last?
I'm just taking random packs.
Fine, but I tend to keep the best for last, just like my dishes.
Return of the Duelist.
Yes, Return of the Duelist. Madoki Lesson, Heroic Challenger Warhammer, 3000 Needles, Chronomelly Moai, Revival Golem Rare,
Oh, no
Little Trooper, Chewbone, Compulsory Escape Device, Chronomelly Golden Jet. I don't really expect.
Let's do another Return of the Duelist.
I don't really have expectations anymore. I just pull them.
Heroic Challenger Warhammer, Strength of Prophecy, Light Emitter, Model Chateau, Dust Knight, and a Ghost Rare Excalibur.
Oh my god. We didn't have them Ghost Rare yet.
Nope, a Ghost Rare Excalibur. Okay.
I didn't.
This Return of the Duelist Special Edition box is awesome.
I love him.
We've pulled so much foils out of this Return of the Duelist Special Edition box. It's crazy.
Oh my god, I wish we could
A
have
Ghost
more.
Rare Excalibur, that's pretty sweet. It looks
I
pretty awesome.
didn't even know they had a Ghost Rare one.
Sweet.
Oh, okay,
Where art thou? Gagaga Russian Madolchi Waltz.
Nice.
Sweet.
Oh, let's hope we get another good Extreme Victory
You
card.
guys are gonna go crazy of all the... When we're gonna do the recap video, we've pulled so much foils, it's crazy.
So many.
So many.
Maclord Army of Skill, Red Carpet, Boon of the Maclord Emperor, Mactime Blast, Psy Beast, rare, Karakuri Ninja MDL 7749, Nana Chick, Maclord Army of Weisel, TG Warwolf, and Gladiator Beast Hygeria.
Let's do another Return of the Duelist.
Why?
I like to.
Why do you like to?
I want to annoy you.
I know. I noticed that.
Uniflora Mystical Beast of the Forest, Heroic Retribution Sword, Chronomelee Moai, Ninjutsu Art of Shadow Sealing, and a rare Revival Golem. Charioteer of Prophecy, Heroic Challenger Spartan, Chronomelee Golden Jet, and Heroic Challenger Sword Shield.
Barrier Resonator, Cyber Shield, Nordic Relic Dropner, Rare Musakani Makatama, Black Wind Bristle the Tailwind, Tyrant's Tirade, Shian Squire, and Gotterdammerung.
Dark Crisis. Filepawn Archfiend, Incandescent Ordeal, Ojama Trio, Checkmate, and Legendary Flame Lord rare. Outstanding Dog Marin, Blindly Loyal Goblin, Battle Footballer, Pandemonium.
Extreme Victory. I'm sorry for my childish outburst. Yes, my childish outburst of Abyss Rising. I just wanted to open that one. Reboot. Karakuri, Scarlet, Psychic Reactor, Rare Chaos Infinity, Maclord Factory, Lancer Lindworm, blah blah blah. What?
Let's do a Storm of
I
Ragnarok.
already know the names, why should I say it again and again? Well, at least if they're loyal viewers.
Black Boost, Karakuri Ninja, Sodom Authority, Tiki Soul, and Sheen Smoke Signal, and a super rare Temple of the Six, Barrier Resonator, Divine Relic Mjolnir, Blackwing Kalima the Haze.
Gladiator's Assault. Swing of Memories, Witch Doctor of Sparta, Alien Hypno, Claudian Nimbusman, Super Defensive Tactics, Test Ape, Super Double Summon, Double Edged Sword Technique, and Parry.
Let's do the last Storm of Ragnarok. Storm of Ragnarok.
Would you move the camera a bit, but well.
Nordic Relic Dropnir, Legendary 6 Samurai Shinai, Zero Force, Liusolf of the Nordic Alvar, and a rare Overpowering Eye. Black Boost and Tiki Soul.
Extreme Victory. Oh, we only got Extreme Victories in Gladiator Soul. Because someone couldn't wait. Runaway Karakuri, Maclord Army of Skill, Clock Resonator, Rare Brain Hazard, and a Super Shien's Dojo.
So we're getting much dojos up here.
Yay! Red Dragon Face, oh pretty. Gladiator Beast, Resolute MacLord Army.
Extreme Victory.
Oh, there's not much change left, do we?
Does it matter?
Well, it was a random pack opening. Alright.
Okay. Serene, Psychic Witch, the Catapult Dragon, Psychic Reactor, and a rare Host Psychic Cleric. DG Wonder Magician Ultra Rare. This is the third one. This is crazy.
I know, right?
Tigerias, 6-style Dual Wield, Morphtronic Lantern, Force Resonator.
Well, I need my...
Sweetie.
Oh, we've got another Extreme Victory.
13 foils at the moment.
And we're not even on... Oh, it's over the health now. Oh, that's a very weird... Why? Self-mummification. Select one monster you control and send it to the graveyard. Unless it's a Lightsworn deck, I can't imagine why the hell you would do that.
Maybe Dark World?
Wait?
Just go.
Red Carpet, TGX 300, Clock Resonator, call rare. Did we get him rare?
We have discard like 5 times.
But were they rare?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, never mind then.
I just pulled one before somewhere here.
Did you?
Let's do a Gladiator Assault for a change.
Wow, what a change.
No entry. Light Imprisoning, Mirror, Ancient Gear Knight, Spirit of the Sixth Samurai, and a rare Gladiator Beast, Marmillo. Interdimensional Warp, Full Control, an unfortunate report. Yes, this is an unfortunate report. Summon Cloud.
Oh, come on now. Give us something pretty. I want Chinese.
Oh, we pulled out so much packs and not even one tour guide. Nah.
Are they in this one?
Extreme Victory.
Well,
Junk Servant Rare.
fortunately for you, Junk Servant Rare.
Well, I'm
bad.
not getting any Extreme Victories anymore. Or neither will I go for the Gladiator Assault.
Yeah,
All the
really,
other packs
Gladiator Assault is
were
really
pretty good.
disappointing me. It has so much foils and we have like only a few super rares and that's it.
Gladiator Assault. Cloudian Squall. Gladiator Beasts Battle Halberd, Natural Disaster, Chamberlain of the Sixth Samurai, and a rare Gladiator Beast Spartacus.
Spartacus!
Gambler of Legend.
I've pulled that one pretty much before. Well, the only things we can do is like either do Extreme Victory or Gladiator Assault. I'm terribly sorry for the monotone ending. TG Catapult Dragon out of the blue. Salvage Warrior Rare. MacLord Factory. MacLord Army of Weissel.
Extreme Victory. Oh my god.
You're happy now, aren't you?
A secret rare tour guide from the underworld.
You were already losing hope, weren't you?
Yes. I was skipping the names here because you guys
Yeah,
already
right.
saw them. But then,
Bam!
tour guide from the underworld, secret rare. So guys, we've pulled a tour guide, we've pulled an High Priestess of Prophecy, we've pulled so much secret rares. It's unbelievable. What?
Anyways, can I do the last one?
Wait.
You want to pull it again.
DGX3, DX2, if I didn't say it. Let's continue with the rest. Tour guide from the underworld, secret rare. Contact with Aqua Mirror, Elder of the Six Samurai, and TG Warwolf. Let's just look at the tour guide for a while. Okay, guys.
This is how it looks like.
Tour guide from the underworld.
Well, if you're so happy with it, read that.
So, this video needs a thumbs up right now because we've pulled a tour guide from the underworld. Look at it, it's pretty.
When this card is normal summoned, you can special summon one level 3 fiend type monster from your hand or deck. Its effects are negated and your thumbs for, and it cannot be used as a synchro material monster.
So right here, tour guide from the underworld. Let's just look at it for a while.
Okay, next.
Fine.
Gladiator's Assault. No entry! Exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Security Orb Ultra!
Nice,
and with an Ultra! Nice, 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 nice. We lost a bit of faith, but we gained it as soon as we got the tour guide of the from the underworld. And
tour guide from the underworld, and look at this. So we've got 2 secret rares again. Tour guide, Cactus Bouncer, and a ghost rare Excalibur. You guys have to thumbs up this video right now. Also, don't forget to give this video, to subscribe us. And
subscribe us for the underworld.
Tour guide from the underworld right here.
You're as happy with tour guide as I was with Prophecy.
This is a card I wanted, but it just came so unexpected. I don't know.
We were like, nah, we're not gonna pull it anyway. Let's just get it over with. Oh my god, we pulled it!
So we've pulled like over 50 packs, and the tour guide is right here now with us.
May the tour guide be with you.
Secret rare tour guide.
Well, so guys,
on video. So guys, we've pulled a High Priestess of Prophecy on video, a Gigant X on video, and a tour guide from the underworld on video. All these awesome pulls on video. So please support our channel, and we see you in the last part of this extreme pack opening. Let's show you guys what we'll open. This will be the biggest one.
The biggest random one. And our biggest, yes. Because we're doing 36 cards, I believe.
So much space. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna open in the last part. Here. We don't even have enough space to put all the packs on, look.
Whee. Yep.
So the last pack, so we don't have to say it in the next part if you guys watch our videos. It's 2 Abyss Rising, 1 Elemental Energy, 2 Galactic Overlords, another Elemental Energy, 2 Storm of Ragnarok, a Dark Crisis, a Phantom Darkness, another Dark Crisis, Absolute Power Force, another Phantom Darkness, Tactical Evolution, 2 Gladiator Assault, 1 Tactical Evolution, 2 Gladiator Assault, 2 Return of the Duelist, 2 Extreme Victory, 1 Light of Destruction, Photon Shockwave, Generation Force, Labyrinth of Nightmare, 2 Legend of the Blue Eyes White Dragons, Order of Chaos, Extreme Victory, Power of the Duelist, another Labyrinth of Nightmare, 2 Hidden Arsenal 6, 2 Crossroads of Chaos, a Light of Destruction, another Power of the Duelist, and I hope you guys enjoy our videos. Just look at all those pretty packs here. Here. This is the last part. All those packs. Please support our channel.
Report? No, don't report. Support.
Yeah, I mean, did I say report?
You said report.
Please support our channel. We've invested quite some money in this. So let's not let it go to waste. We shared all our progress with you guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for the tour guide. I'm sorry I'm saying it too much, but
yes, you say it too many times.
So much foils.
Yay!
Your guys are going to go crazy at the recap video. We've put like 100 foils or something.
Well, out of the 242 packs we
should. But yeah.
242 booster packs.
So guys, we see you in part 7.
Bye bye!